Hi, first grade. Today we learned how to use the count on strategy, when we should use it and when we should not use it to solve an addition problem. Today you're going to practice using the count on strategy to solve these 4 problems. In order to do that, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. Pause the video to go get your 2 materials and then push play when you're ready. Okay, now that you have your materials, your job is to make your paper look just like mine. Right at the top, solve with the count on strategy. And then you're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 problems down on your paper. Once your paper looks like mine, I want you to wait to solve them because there's something else I need you to do for me. After your paper looks just like mine, I need you to flip your paper over to the back. Once your paper is flipped over to the back, I want you to make the back of your paper look just like mine. We're using a T-chart. Remember, a T-chart helps us organize data. So you're drawing a T-chart. On one side, you're putting count on strategy, and on the other, you're putting different strategy. At the bottom, you're writing 5 addition problems. Pause the video to make yours look like mine and then push play for the directions on what you're doing. Okay, your paper should just look just like mine on the back now. Your job is to use these addition problems and ask yourself, should I use the count on strategy to solve this problem? If so, you need to write the problem underneath this part of the T-chart, underneath count on strategy. If it's not an addition problem that we should use the count on strategy for, and maybe we should use a different strategy, you're going to write the problem under this part of the T-chart. Remember, when we're using the count on strategy, we want our addition problems, we want the add-ins to be one big number and one small number. If they're 2 numbers that are both big or they're very similar to each other, then it's going to be really tricky and take longer for us to count on. So you are organizing these addition problems on the T-chart. After you have finished both sides of your paper, the front should look like this with all 4 problems solved, and the back should look like this with all of these problems under one of the columns on the T-chart. You're going to take a picture of the front and the back of your paper and upload to the Media Share album. I'll post both of these pictures for the front and back on the Media Share, so if you didn't have time and didn't pause the video, you can go back and copy your paper before you solve the problems. This is a great way for you to practice using the strategy we learned today. I can't wait to see you practicing the count on strategy. Have fun.